What's up, my YouTube friends? So, you're going to see this video. We shot this today, Saturday, May 1st. Kentucky Derby. This is from Delaware River Train Excursions. We ran up there. It's in Philipsburg, New Jersey. And we did a couple trips. We chased it. And then we went and did the Lehigh line again on NS. This GP9 is pretty cool. Backstory on this GP9. It used to be owned by the Winchester and Western. And we used to chase it in South Jersey. And my buddy Bruce used to be an engineer on for them. He was an engineer for them. And he loved this GP9. Hey, enjoy it. See ya. Be well.